Land Rover celebrates 70 years with restoration of 1948 Series I. This 1948 Land Rover was the first of the pre-production run that promoted the launch of the now iconic Series I. This specific example, shown at the Amsterdam Motor Show that same year, went missing in the 1950s before resurfacing in 2016 when spotted in a garden in Birmingham in the UK. Land Rover is taking advantage of the chance to bring the discovered classic back to life as the first project of its 70-year anniversary celebration. The Jaguar Land Rover Classic Works in Coventry is leading the charge on the restoration. JLR plans to preserve the vehicle while also maintaining the natural patina it developed over the 63 years it fell off Land Rover's radar. Jaguar Land Rover Classic director Tim Hanig said in a statement, "This Land Rover is an irreplaceable piece of world automotive history and is as historically important as Huey, the first pre-production Land Rover." Beginning its sympathetic restoration here at Classic Works, where we can ensure it's put back together precisely as it's meant to be, is a fitting way to start Land Rover's 70th anniversary year.